Today we'll be presenting about changes in states of matter. But first, let's look into the basic of states of matter. First, solid. Solids has definite shape and volume. Second, liquid. Liquid has definite volume, but its shape changes.
Let's see what happens if we add heat to solid. The spaces in between the particles expand, and solid eventually becomes liquid. This process is called melting. For example, like ice cube melting into water. What if we add more heat to liquid? The particles begin to vibrate faster, and then liquid eventually becomes gas. This process is called evaporation. For example, like when we boil water, and that water becomes water vapor. In some special cases, solid can directly turn into gas. The process is called sublimation. For example, like dry ice.
Next, we'll see what happens if we remove heat or cool down the substances. Firstly, if we cool down gas, the particles vibrate slower, and at one point, gas becomes liquid. This process is called condensation. For example, like when we bring a cold water bottle out of the freezer. The air meets the cold surface of the water bottle and becomes water droplet. Now what if we cool down liquid even more? The spaces in between the particles contract, and liquid becomes solid. This process is called freezing. For example, when we freeze water in the freezer, it becomes ice. In some special cases, gas can turn directly into solid by cooling it down. For example, water vapor can turn into frost buildup directly.